So I'm not really active in my YouTube these days, but recently one of our viewers comment in a video that he want to know that how to make polls like King's Quiz, King Queendom channel. So I decided to make this video that gonna help him. So here it is, how you can make polls like this YouTube channel. It's an animation YouTube channel, Quiz Kingdom. So he regularly make posts related to this type of questions, where he asks some questions to his subscribers in polls. So we are going to do the same. So for this you need to go to create and go to post, and from post you need to select image polls, and from here you need to give here images or GIF you downloaded related to your question. And if you want, you can ask questions from, you can get this type of poll questions from ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek. Get the question suggestion from them and then make regular post like this. Okay, so for this I'm just showing them that which animal is moving slow among all of this. So one by one I'll add the image, GIFs, and then their name, and if you want you can reposition images, and if everything good then just click on post, and here it is. So from your account you are unable to answer, but if you share your link you can answer. So like this, I copy and go to my another YouTube channel, and here you can see that I am able to answer the poll questions. Okay, so you can select any of them. So for this question it seems like the turtle is the moving slow animal here. And if you are thinking about that, where you can get this type of GIFs, moving GIFs, so there's a website called Lottie Files. So it's free and similar like free pick. So you can just search here with the desired image or GIF, and then you will have it. So this is the quick video. Hope you like this. Thank you.